Have you ever felt frustrated driving on a road filled with potholes and uneven surfaces? Yes, we all know roads riddled with potholes can be a challenge of their own. But imagine if we could change all that with a touch of technology. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to take you around to see some of the most advanced road-making technologies from across the globe. From machines that can remove gum from the streets to technology that can melt snow, prepare to be amazed. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always up to date with fascinating information from us. Let's get started. Who loves chewing gum out there? Make some noise. Besides being relaxing, chewing gum indeed makes people feel cool. But if you toss the leftovers carelessly, that's not cool at all. It's dirty, and once it sticks to the streets, it's incredibly hard to remove. To tackle this, a vehicle has been designed with a machine specifically for cleaning gum residues on the road. It's not just the gum that disappears, but the streets look shiny too. Plus, in the Netherlands, the gum can be recycled into shoes. That's impressive. To level a mix of cement or concrete on the floor or road surface, people usually use shovels or trowels. But if the surface area is huge, that's really tiring. Here's a drivable leveling vehicle so you don't have to tire yourself out too much. The shovelers might as well start a band because they're going to be so relaxed. If in Indonesia, push carts are still pretty standard, compare that with carts abroad. These carts have a lever that can directly open the bottom part to pour out the contents slowly. So, the work can be done faster because there's no need to spill and then level the cart's contents first. Saves time, doesn't it? Usually, on major roads, there are holes that serve as entrances to the sewer or underground drainage. Now, covering these holes needs to be done carefully to not endanger road users and to effectively seal the openings. For this purpose, the Trigona manhole cover technology was developed. The way it's closed is also meticulously done with accurate estimation and calculations. And interestingly, it can be opened again when needed. Isn't that sophisticated? In Indonesia, Trigona refers to a type of bee. I wonder if there's any connection to this manhole cover. Here's another perfect innovation for leveling cement, which will surely make the shovel band rejoice, called the smoothing roller. The tool looks simple, but it requires several people to operate the roller on both sides, as well as someone to manage the pile of cement mix to not obstruct the roller's movement. Still, this tool is a big help, right? This might not yet be suitable for use in Indonesia since we don't have snow. But it doesn't hurt to learn about it. Who knows, perhaps someday, due to climate change, Indonesia will also experience 4 seasons. So, long before winter arrives, the streets are lined with various sophisticated cables shaped like this and connected to an electricity source. When winter comes, homeowners don't need to busy themselves shoveling snow on the road to pass through because, in a few hours, the streets will become warm thanks to the embedded cables and the snow will melt. Yay! If this vehicle has one job, it's to manage the movement of temporary road barriers when needed. It's called a road zipper because it indeed works like a zipper. Take a closer look. Isn't that unique? For those of you who have traveled abroad and noticed how neat the streets are, especially in Europe and America, it's because they have trucks specifically designed for widening roads. This allows for very precise work, avoiding the unevenness commonly seen elsewhere. If there's a well in the field, we may take a bath. But if there's a cracked road, then let's use this infrared device. This tool is incredibly helpful for melting down cracked roads as a sign that they need to be repaired immediately. The repair device uses electromagnetic radiation from wavelengths longer than light but shorter than radio wave radiation, also known as infrared, so it heats up the road very quickly, and then it's patched up. Who can sweep miles of roads? If you can't, this vehicle might be the solution. Named the car sweeper, it was first made in Italy factory and has been used in various parts of the world. It's even available in Indonesia, so there's no excuse for highways to be full of dust and dirt because from sweeping to mopping the road, there's an innovation for it. It's just a matter of whether the government is willing to procure these tools or not.